Hello YouTube, this is Getting Ready 101. Now what you're looking at here is Maverick's first truck. 1985 Ford, 4-wheel drive, 351 Windsor. Drove pretty good getting over here. Step side, but they got a flatbed on it, which I like better. I don't know what Maverick could do. But whatever he does, he needs to keep that step side. It's got a little rust on it, needs some work. But if he puts it on, that'll be fine. But if he don't, he needs to keep that, because it'll be worth more with that step side when he sells it. Look at them wheels. He can sell that and buy another truck just to sell the wheels off this. How you like your new truck?
Amazing.
Your first truck.
It's amazing.
What do you like about it?
The look, feel, sound, tires. I just turned it off, like turn them all the way to the side, right?
What?
How do I turn the windshield wipers off?
Off?
Yeah.
Turn it one click to your right. How long you been driving?
A while.
How long?
Wait, what do you mean, today?
No, when you started driving.
Oh. This?
No, anything.
Oh, like 7, 8
7, 8 what?
years old.
Start driving when you're 7 or 8?
Yeah. I guess.
When'd you start driving on the road? On blacktop?
10 maybe?
10?
But I sat in your lap and you did pedals.
At 10 years old?
Yeah.
When'd you start driving on the road by yourself? When's the first time you drove a truck on the road by yourself, blacktop?
A couple years ago.
How old are you now?
15.
So you ought to be able to ace the driver's test, right?
Yeah. Are we going up? Is there no middle seat? Is there no middle seat?
Seat belts?
Yeah.
No, I don't think they made them back then.